what is this? Like, somebody tell me what this is, because it's not an eyebrow. Alright, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I feel like I haven't recorded a makeup tutorial in like bricks. So today I'm gonna just be doing something really simple. I'm just gonna do like an outline cut crease, really basic, but kind of complicated at the same time, and you guys are gonna see why in a second. So if you want to see how I do this look, just keep watching. Make sure you thumbs this video up, even though I haven't done anything yet. And don't forget to subscribe right down below so you don't miss out on any of my other videos. And without further ado, let's just get right into it. Okay, so first I'm going to start off with my Fenty Beauty Primer as usual. Alright, so next I'm going to get into my eyebrows. I will be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills DipBrow Pomade in the color Ebony. My eyebrows are like a serious travesty right now. I have no idea. What is this? Like, somebody tell me what this is, because it's not an eyebrow. I'm not sure what's going on here, but I don't like it. Alright, so now I'm going to take my Sephora Bright Future concealer in the color Pot de Creme, and I'm just gonna try to fix this eyebrow and clean up this eyebrow. Alright, so this eyebrow is just done. Like, it's done. Like, done. Like, I can't even... This is like the worst my eyebrows have ever turned out. I don't know what's going on. But I don't like it. Okay, so now that that's over with, I'm gonna get into my eyes now. The hard part. So I'm just gonna take my Urban Decay Original Primer. I like this way better than the Caffeine one I was using, because the Caffeine one was really thick, but this one's not, and it seems to like hold the shadow on better as well. So get the original, guys. Don't do too much. Trying to get fancy with colors. Alright, so since the focus of this look is going to be the eyeliner, I'm going to be using some neutral color eyeshadow. So I'm going into my Tartlette and Balloon palette, and I'm going to go into the Crease. So I'm going to be taking Leader and just going in my upper lid area and crease. Alright, so now I'm gonna just I'm gonna go into my lid area with Rebel. still in the same palette, Tartlette and Bloom. Alright, so now I'm just gonna take my e.l.f. cream liner and I'm going to do my wing, but I'm gonna do it really thin because I'm also going to take some liner and do an outline for my cut crease. Alright, so now I'm gonna take my Stila eyeliner. It's felt tip, and I feel like this is easier when you're trying to like do a cut crease or a line of cut crease. So I'm just gonna try to draw a line for my cut crease and connect it to my wing. This is gonna be hard. Alright, so of course, as usual, I made some mistakes. Started messing it up, but that's okay because I can just go in and clean it up. Alright, so I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee, and I'm going to clean up under where I messed up my eyeliner.
Julo, get them racks.
Alright, well that came out a little bit uneven, but I mean, it is what it is, whatever at this point. I will be taking my Fenty Beauty foundation in the color 440. Okay, taking my Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer in the color G37. My dad is literally out here moving my car, bruh. I parked in his spot because I didn't think he would be home so early. He's like, girl, if you don't get...
Boy, if you don't get...
Alright, so I'm going to take my Zuri pressed powder in Nuit, and I'm just going to powder my areas where the dark contour should be. Okay, now I'm going to set my highlighted areas with my Fenty Universal Blotting Powder. Okay, I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I'm going to take Tourmaline, which is this one, and go ahead and highlight with that. Okay, so I'm actually going to be going over my lips with a little bit of glitter. It's actually a glitter lip balm from my girl Shay. She is starting her own business. It's called Skingasm. It's really cute. It smells really good. I don't know if she's still going to be using these containers, but, and I kind of had it like in my car, so it's kind of hot, but yeah, so there's like glitter in it. It's really moisturizing. It smells really good, like I said. So I'm gonna take a brush and I'm gonna go over my lip liner with some of this glitter. Give it some pop.
Julo, get them racks.
Alright, so here is the finished look. Hope you guys like it. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below what you guys think or any other makeup ideas for me. And I'll go ahead and get right on that for you. Don't forget to subscribe also right down below so you don't miss out on any of my other videos. And also make sure that you follow me on all my social media, Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter. All that's going to be on the next screen and down below in the description. And I am actually rebranding my hair company, so if you do need any hair, you can still shoot me an email and I can still ship it out for you, but the website right now is going to be down since I'm working on updating like price lists, switching vendors, and all of that stuff. So yeah, thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.